Figure I'd start off this video. This is gonna be a house I'm flipping pretty soon. It's pretty nice foreclosure, got good price, has a pool. We're just cutting down the trees now. Buchanan Tree Services doing a great job. They cut down 3 pine for me already, and then they're coming back to do the oaks. Let me flip that around here. Okay, so like I said, they already did 3. There's actually one that was right here. They still have to take those down to the ground. This used to be a really nice pool. I'll add a photo in so you can see what it looked like. They're going to be getting rid of these giant oak. They're probably about 50 foot. Don't want it breaking the pool. But you can kind of see what we're working with here. It just got let go. You got the nice, it almost looks like a pond, it's so bad. But it was a beautiful pool at one point. Do some repair work on the pumps. The PVC broke in the winter. Little jacuzzi. Have a waterfall over there. This will be getting cut down. Again, all this is going to be re-landscaped here. And just gotta fix the mortar. You know, some of the pool, obviously the pool needs cleaned. Landscape over there. Take this big one down here. And you'll see, even though it's nice to have trees, this is what happens. You can see all the mildew. The sun never hits here, so it never dries. So then you start getting mildew on the roof and other problems, as you can see. Once the sun hits here, this will be great. Getting rid of this tree too. It's really close to the garage. That's probably a 40, 45 foot tree there. Roof's in great shape. Other than a little bit of mildew, new roof. Gonna paint the house, totally transform this into something nice again. Nice deck area. Just coming down here. Again, you could see, basically it's sat for 2 years because of foreclosure. Got the little waterfall here. Got a bunch of brush over here, gotta clean this up. Here's the tree coming down here. Taking that down, that'll open it up some. I trimmed back some of the trees already up here. That's beyond my comprehension, so you hire somebody that knows what they're doing, they'll take that down like nothing. Paint all the fences, of course, repairing them. Pretty good amount. This is all busted. Fix all these, get the sprayer out. Kind of give you a game plan of, what you look at. Even though it looks like a horrible mess, a couple $1,000s later and this will be all nice again. Probably gonna do a dark gray on this house with white trim. Still debating. Clean up the corner over here. You can see here, just like the mortar just needs redone. The flagstone. You can see the moat. Again, this sat for 2 years. What do you expect? I'll show you pictures. Like I said, it's gonna be nice. Now I'll show you the inside another day, but I just came to check real quick. They're coming tomorrow to finish up the trees and just wanted to take a quick photo. These were about 35 foot tall. They're about as tall as that maple there. Again, it blocks all the, like, they're a mess. Like when you have pines, they're nice to look at. I dug these out a little bit so you can cut down close to the ground. You see how nothing grows here. Like, it's all just needles and dead grass. So a couple weeks, this will be nice grass grown in. Have to landscape all this here, paint it. Nothing too crazy. Honestly, like a week or so, this will probably be all done. So this is going to be the one flip. I'm actually going to start this in the fall. Working on a couple right now, so nice little before, and I'll show you the progress and show you the after.